Alright everyone, this is Haseo 4455, and 2 days ago, the Titanic, the legendary ship that they said was not gonna sink. Oh, she's not gonna sink. Well, guess what? She sank. And after I talked with my friend Benny the Beast, here is the appropriate song for that ship. It's called Nearer My God to Thee. Near God to Thee. Near He across and with me. Still my song shall be near my God to Thee. Near my God to Thee. Near to Thee. Like a wanderer, sun down, darkness be over me, I raised a stone, yet in my dreams I'll be near my God to Thee, near my God to Thee, near to Thee. My waking thoughts rise with Thy praise. Out of my stony grief, I'll rise. So by my woes to Thee, near my God to Thee, near my God to Thee, near to Thee. Or if on joyous wing cleaving the sky, sun, moon, and stars forgot, upward I'll fly, till all my song shall be near to God, to Thee, nearer to God, to Thee, nearer to Thee, near my God to Thee, near to Thee. Alright, that was for the that was to the Titanic, who 100 years ago on April 15th, 1912, sank to the bottom of the ocean. You'll always be remembered, my friend.